Hey everybody, Todd here from Image Wash Products, and today we're just going to give you a quick showdown of a custom pressure washer cart that we built for a current customer. We went with electric 230 volt single phase, 5.5 gallon a minute, 2500 psi cold water unit. We got our 100-foot hose manual crank with the lock in there. He's got the foam gun with the 4-step. He's got one of my original 4 steps from back in 2019, I want to say, so still holding strong. But we just wanted to give you a quick view of this bad boy here. It's something that we can do for anybody. You don't have to go with a cold unit this big. You can do a 4 gallon, but he wanted some volume for washing these big coaches, so they do a lot of motorhomes. Get a hold of us. You know where we are. We're on YouTube, Facebook, washproduct.com. You can talk to myself or somebody in the office, and yeah, this would be quite the investment for whatever washing you need. So appreciate you watching.